as an Afrikaner, and I think I speak for many Afrikaners, we are really grateful about the public stance that has been taken by President Donald Trump about what truly is happening in South Africa. The fact that Afrikaners are being persecuted. There are more than 140 race laws in South Africa discriminating against a minority community, the white minority, but the Afrikaners in particular. And the reason why I say Afrikaners in particular is because South African politicians have made it their pastime to publicly attack and vilify the Afrikaner community up to the point where the justice system is now defending the right of politicians to chant about the extermination of the Boers or the Afrikaners or the farmers in South Africa.
Kill the Boer, kill the farmer is a liberation chant and slogan.
And then you can combine that with all these statements about going back to Europe, people and politicians wanting the Afrikaners to leave. And then also this attempt by the South African government to change the South African constitution to empower the state to expropriate private property without compensation. And especially in the defense of this, to say that they want to take the property of white people in particular.